Hello. So I was at the store today and I saw this and decided, hey, I've never tried one of those before. Why not get it? So I got this Kiwano, which is a horned melon. I'm kind of curious how the taste is. I haven't tried one of these before. Never opened one before, so I'm about to try to figure out how to open it and about to find out how it tastes. And I'm also going to take any viable seeds I find and I'm going to try to plant it in my yard. So we'll find out if these actually grow in Arizona. I have no idea. So I'll probably just upload this video, and then eventually if I either find out that it grows or if I found out that it's impossible to grow for me, then I'll have a follow-up video just talking about the failure. Actually, if it fails, I'll probably just leave a comment that, hey, this won't grow according to my methods in Arizona. Or if it grows, then I'll have a follow-up video probably in a month or two with, my sprouted versions of whatever this plant looks like. I mean, most sprouts of plants look pretty much identical, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut this open. I can't hold the camera and cut open at the same time, so I'll cut it open in a sec and we'll see what it looks like inside.
Well, as you can see, the Kiwano has a beautiful green color. It smells like cucumber, cross between cucumber and maybe lime or something. It's kind of hard to explain, but it's really fun to play with. I mean, it's probably more fun to squeeze the fruit out than it is to actually taste it. I mean, it tastes like really strange textured cucumber. I mean, it's very sweet, but oh man, I almost got hit in the eye. That's crazy. You see that? But yeah, I actually looked this up and it says when these get super ripe, they actually spray their seeds. So that'd be kind of interesting to see, but yeah, you squeeze them and the seeds pop out. Yeah, it's fun. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.